Don't fucking move! Don't fucking move! Get out of the car! Get out of the car right now! Don't fucking move! Put the car in park! Get the fuck on the ground! Get on the ground! Searcher? Yeah. Are you okay, ma'am?
Okay. I had my seatbelt on.
Okay, great.
I didn't want to get out when I saw you guys.
No, she hit you, so I just wanted to make sure you're okay.
Ticket? All units minus traffic.
X-ray 90 Central, get me Air 1.
Over. Central Air 1, Air 1.
X-ray 90 Central, I got a bailout here at Providence and Bluebird. Emergency traffic.
10-4, you have the channel.
Sean, where you at? I need a K-9 over here at Bluebird. Sean, I'm behind the house. Let's canvass the area for these guys.
Okay. Come on. You saw him running?
Yeah. I don't know if we inside the house or on the back side.
Hey. Come here. Into here. Here. Sheriff's Office K-9 out, so if you'll be bit. Into here. Livin. Fucking buddy! Get your hands up! Get your hands up! I need to see your hands!
Hands up!
Get him up!
Hands up!
Get him up! Fucking buddy! Good boy, you know! Fucking buddy! Let me see your other hand! Give me your other hand!
Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
Get your hand up!
Hands up!
K-9's got one down here in the woods. I think it's Buttercup. I don't know what it
Go on
is.
your stomach. Roll on your stomach now. Hands up! Roll on your stomach.
Lieutenant, can you come here and help, Ben?
Hey.
Don't move.
All right, we'll wait. Hey, LT.
Yeah, I'm securing him now. Can I have you?
Sorry for the excitement. The wig and everything? Yep. It's felony lane.